The web front and mobile application are used for obtaining and working with data on the platform. It is built on Swagger and is available at the following link. In it, you can log in. You can view all the interfaces available in this API. When selecting an interface, you can see which models are returned, what classes we have, and which requests need to be sent. Additionally, this API can be exported to Postman. To do this, follow the link to the schema version 1. After that, we will see that we can proceed as follows. First, simply copy the link, go to Postman, select Import Collection, paste this link with the schema and version 1, and Postman will generate a ready-made collection for us. Then we click Import, and it will appear in Postman. So we can use Postman. If we don't like interacting directly, we can integrate our API into Postman. Here are all the requests. Additionally, using Swagger, we can export our schema and then generate both client libraries and server solutions in these languages. That's all.